today we will do edit distance. So question is like, given to string word1 and word2 and return the minimum number of operations required to convert word1 to word2. So there is three operations we can do: insertion, deletion, and replace a character. So at first we will understand the question. So we have to do word1 converted to word2. My word1 is HORSE, horse, and arrows. Okay, so what we can do, like we have this string and this much. So another thing is like we have also this one and this one. So two string is common, OS and RS. So apart from it there is three, there is one and two string that is not needed, we can remove it. And let's suppose we are taking OS. Okay, so we are taking, we have HORC, we are taking only O and S, we are removing 3. Okay, and we are removing this 2 and we are changing this one. Okay, so then it will be like ROS. Okay, because we deleted this one, we changed this one. So there is 3 operation required, so answer is 3. So how we will do it? So I hope you guys know that we have in DP we have LCS, longest common subsequence. So in longest common subsequence, what we were doing, we were getting what is the longest common sequence we are getting from this string word1 and word2. So we will modify that that code using this one. So instead of there was 2 if condition, if word1 of I minus 1 equal to word2 of j minus 1. So in LCS what we were doing, t of I minus t of I of j to 1 plus t of I minus 1 j minus 1. Else we were doing t of I of j equal to max of I minus 1 j t of I j minus 1. Okay, and at the end we were getting the answer in t of n of m. So instead of this, what we can do, suppose suppose my current string is same, current character is same, so there is no need to add any extra string. Okay, apart from it when we come to else condition, so suppose this is I 0 1 0 1. So now we are here. So this is this if condition, first one, this is the if condition, and this else is coming here. So instead of this, we need minimum operation to change word1 to word2. So instead of this, we will do 1 plus, because one operation we are doing, either insertion, deletion, or updation. So 1 plus min of t of I minus 1 j minus 1, t of I j minus 1, and t of I minus 1 of j, and at the end we will return it. I hope you understand it. Let's deep dive on the code. We will code it at first. Okay, and equal to instead of writing lots of code, we'll do it like w1 I don't think this, I think it will be 0, it's fine. So we'll do one thing, we will initialize I equal to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, so t of I of 0 equal to 0, else j less than equal to m plus plus t of 0 of c equal to 0. So first row and first column we are initializing. First column will be 0 and the first row will be whatever the value of that index that will be. Then we'll do like this to 1. So first condition will be like if word1 of I equal to word 2 of j, then t of I of j equal to t of I minus 1 minus 1. Else we will do 1 plus min of t of I minus 1 j minus 1, then min of t of I minus 1 j and t of I j minus 1. Okay, and at the end we'll return t of n comma m. That's it. Okay, long gun. I think we have done. Okay, it will be I. So whatever string we are getting, that will be equal to that one. Yeah. Ta-ta. Yeah, 80% accuracy. Nice.